Here we are with Shane at the gun show in Denver, Colorado. That's one of the sharper blades in the show right now. What is that?
This one here?
Yeah.
This is the, I call it the Thai 01, and it's a folding scalpel blade. We've got a frame lock here, folds down, disengage this lock, folds down here. It's got flipper action, so super quick to open and close, keychain friendly. I always carry mine on my keychain, so I always got it with me, along with all of my other components here. If you want to switch the blade out, you just push back over here, pull the blade out, a little groove that allows you to insert the blade into the groove. It's locked and loaded. So this comes with 10 blades, number 24 and 23s, off-the-shelf scalpels.
Nice. And where can we find that?
KORCRAFT.com, KORCRAFT.com.